Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We are in Hawaii, and one of the things you gotta do in Hawaii is eat local. So first stop is and I know I'm gonna hack this up, Palakai Bakery. Stop number one, let's go check it out. Oh, this looks good. Might be doing some damage here. Alright, while the bakery is good, we got one of the famous masadas, Malasada. Famous shave ice place here. You got it. Even our friend 30 and Wake Up. Matsumoto Shave Ice. Let's go. The Azuki is in there?
Azuki is inside.
Inside? Alright.
Be careful behind you, be careful behind you.
Wow. Alright, we're hungry and we just saw this place, so we'll figure check it out. Hawaiian poi factory. Not sure what poi is, but we might just find out. Alright, so I got the beef something. Oh, I know. Oh, okay. I got the beef luau with rice. This is really weird looking. And then she got
Mini chicken.
Chicken with the rice. And then that has like salmon something in it. Okay, so the only downside to this place, like I said, no place to eat. So we're sitting in the back of the car. There's no dine-in, but we're hungry, so. No stop here in Hawaii would be complete without stopping at the famous Leonard's Bakery for a malasada. I can't remember the name.
Donuts without a hole.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, it's supposed to be really fresh made, hot, delicious here. Supposed to be the best around, so let's go check it out.
Can I get 3 leaving, 3
What's what?
Well, unfortunately, saw the sign. Their custard machine or whatever's broke, so we can't get one that's custard filled. But this should still be good. Good, very good. It's sad that they don't have the cream filled, the coconut, and some other ones, but it is what it is. Nothing you can do about it when their equipment breaks. I said it'd be a month before they get it up and running again, so this is one of the bad things when you're on an island, ship stuff in. I don't know, but if you're here, check out Leonard. Pretty good. Alright, this is the name of a bakery we went to. I didn't film inside, we didn't care. We just kind of walked past it and stopped in here, but check it out. Rocky Road, like an apple malasada. I forget. Oh, Boston cream. There's a Long John, a cream cheese thing. There's a puff, cream puff, something.
Yeah, here's cream puff.
Cocoa puffs, something like that. Yeah, pretty good place, man. High end too. There's even a restaurant you can sit in and eat at. So I'm not even trying to say it. Man, I hacked up these Hawaiian names. But yeah, check it. That's a pretty good bakery. Very fancy, very nice looking. Like I said, sorry we didn't videotape it. I just didn't have the camera on me. But we're gonna go eat. Konos. This is the old school sandwich. It's pulled pork with like coleslaw. Really good. I wasn't planning on going there. We went to Leonard's again to get a couple more donuts, and I saw this place next door, so I was like, I gotta try it out. So, very good. Try it out. Konos. Not sure what that was, but we're eating here at Hawaiian's Best Fish Tacos. They have more than just fish tacos. They got burrito, nachos, tacos, a salad, and quesadilla, and desserts. We're gonna try it out. Tres
leches and
coconut flan. We got some tacos, nachos. This place is really good, and look. You got plenty of visitors for lunch. You got plenty of visitors. Definitely a good place. I recommend it. Well, everyone, this is the first time ever I've tried to do a food segment on the channel, and I'm kind of disappointed in myself as the way it came out. You know, it's one habit from the Army that I cannot shake, and that is just to inhale food as fast as possible. And, you know, I got the food and just ate it and didn't even think about filming it or telling you how it was as we ate it. So I apologize about that. You know, fortunately with YouTube, and it's kind of like a live and learn, but I did take some notes down. So the very first place we stopped at, the Palakai Bakery. Something I didn't show, and it was like what they said is their signature dish is called a snow puff. It's a rectangular pastry, very light, very fluffy, with like a white sugar and a chocolate. Delicious. Oh, it was extremely good. And the malasada's there, really, really good. The best part is it's really affordable for Hawaii. I mean, really, really affordable. So if you're in the area, definitely check them out. Like I said, I'm so mad I missed it, but I'll show you a picture of what it looked like. I got a still shot from the video. Now I'm gonna hack this up. The Oahu Poi Factory. Food was okay. I think it was a little expensive, and I don't really feel like, you know, it was like a great value for what we got. It was like mostly just rice and a small cup of the main dish. Like I got that luau, which I forget, the lady told me what it was, and it wasn't what I thought. I thought it was gonna be like a beef stew or something, and it wasn't. My wife got the chicken. I mean, it was okay, but I didn't really think it was that great. Now, something I didn't videotape at all is we got the two desserts that they're known for: the Sweet Lady of Waiahole and the Tahitian Lady. I'm not sure if they both looked and taste the same. I'm not sure if it was a mess up, if they gave us two of the same, or if the two dishes are very similar, but I couldn't taste the difference between the two, but they were very good. I give it that was good. There was a lady sitting in the parking lot. She was kind of directing cars where to park, and I totally missed filming because we were talking to her about the island and stuff like that. So food, desserts, pretty good. Now Leonard's, whoa. Now they sell, and you kind of find it all over the island, like we saw at Palakai Bakery. The malasadas, it's a Portuguese donut. There's no hole cut in the center. It's very light, very fluffy. It's delicious. But Leonard's makes them as you order them. The Palakai Bakery, they were there, room temperature, still good. But Leonard's, wow. You go in there, you order them, you go outside, they'll call you a number, they give you the box of however many you order, and they are fresh and hot. I just wish we could have got some of the cream-filled ones, or the jelly and all the other stuff. It's just, the machine was down, so they couldn't insert anything. So unfortunate. But Leonard's, wow, we ended up eating it 3 times. My wife got hooked on it. We were going to a botanical garden. There's a food truck in one of the shopping centers, so we stopped there, and then we went back to the main one. And that's when she went down the road, and I don't even begin to know the name of the place, but she got a poke bowl. She said it was really good. So somewhere down the road from Leonard's, I can't find it, but something that she wanted. And then I went next door and got the Kono The there's a barbecue place there, Kono. I went and got that sandwich. Absolutely delicious. Really, really good. And the potato chips, I didn't mention in the video. The potato chips, absolutely delicious. The best I've ever had as far as potato chips. Really, really good. So Lulaha, I think that's that bakery we went to. Very high end, kind of pricey. It was good, but it wasn't like what I expected. Eat it was kind of tough to break through, and every piece kind of had that same signature kind of toughness to it. Trying to chew through it, I don't know. I mean, like I said, it tasted okay, but really not my favorite as far as bakery. And then the food truck that we went to, it was actually over there at Sharks Cove. It was across the street. Absolutely delicious. That was good. We spent $50 there, but we got, my wife got the tacos. I got the nachos with the, I think, brisket on it. And then we got 2 desserts. She got the flan, and then I got the, I can't think of the name of it. Anyhow, you saw it in the video, and I gave out the name of it. But we got the 2 desserts, and then 2 meals, and then we got 1 can of soda. $50, maybe a little pricey, but I think for that situation, might have been justified. Because like I said, we got desserts and everything, so it was kind of a lot of food that we got. And it was really good, especially for a food truck out there. So that's it. That's all the places we ate. We had an Airbnb that we had a kitchen, and with the price of stuff, we really utilized that kitchen a lot to save on some money. So I didn't eat out as much as I thought we were going to when I started breaking this down into its own segment to be food. Otherwise, I might have just put this into the vlog. But hopefully you still got some value and learned some good places to go eat on your visit to Hawaii. So thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you haven't. Check out the links down below. We got your discounts and some good shopping ideas and stuff we use for travel, and Amazon store, stuff like that, and it helps out the channel. Don't forget, likes, shares, comments all help out the channel tremendously, and I greatly appreciate it. So until next time, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you on the next one.